How to backup PowerToys settings on Windows. Hello guys and welcome back to Delve Stack. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can backup PowerToys settings on Windows. So let's get started. Basically, PowerToys keeps all your settings in a single file. So if you save that file, you can restore your settings anytime. So in order to open the folder where PowerToys saves settings, you gotta press Windows plus R and then you gotta type %, local app data %, / Microsoft / PowerToys and press enter. You gotta go to the search bar and type in PowerToys. So you'll be able to see the file called powertoys.settings.json. So you gotta copy this file. You can right click on it, press copy, and then you gotta go to any safe place like desktop, USB drive, or OneDrive. And then you get to right click over there and click on paste. Now your settings are backed up. So now if you wish to restore the settings later, you can install the PowerToys on the same PC or new PC and then go to the same folder, right click anywhere and paste your powertoys.settings.json over here. Then you get to restart your PowerToys and all your previous settings will appear. So that is basically how you can backup PowerToys settings on Windows. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.